Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we need to talk about Terra Luna. If you guys were expecting your airdrop to happen today, it has had a small delay and will be happening in the next 24 hours. The time has been released. Also, there are a lot of big exchanges that will try to help Luna make the recovery, and you guys can see Luna Classic is having some trouble, as it is going to be very important for it to break through this resistance barrier to keep climbing. Before we get into all of that, if you guys are here for the first time, you do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Luna, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button while you're there, slap a like on the video, completely free to do so. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people see the incredible side of Luna, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up. Soon as we get more trust into it, we will be making a lot of profit, so make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, before we look at the 1 hour chart, I want to show you guys something really important. I know a lot of you guys were waiting for your airdrop for Terra 2.0 today and waiting for it to launch, the mainnet to go live, but there has been some delay. Terra v2 mainnet launch and the new Luna airdrop delayed till May 28th. So rather than happening today, it will be happening in the next 24 hours. Reason for the rescheduled date were not specific. They just said there was going to be a delay when it comes to release of the mainnet. They did not say that there was some problems or anything like that. Terra Luna airdrop rolls out with the first block on the new chain. Centralized exchanges like Binance and FTX announced how they plan to support the token airdrop. Another Terra proposal to cut out UST outstanding debt passed on Thursday. Now keep in mind, as you guys can see, this was actually posted by the official Twitter page of Terra. Yesterday we said Terra 2.0 is coming, tomorrow it arrives. The community has been working around the clock to coordinate the new chain and launch. Subject to potential change, we expect Terra to go live on May 28th around 6 AM UTC, which if you counter from now, that's close to about 18 hours, and that's the exact time it will be going live. And when it does go live, slowly the big exchanges such as Binance, FTX, they will be rolling out all their airdrops. And if you were holding on to your Luna token inside of Binance, don't worry, when it is listed Terra 2.0, you will be receiving your one inside of your account. You will not have to do anything. It is going to be a simple process as possible, as they do not want to make it hard for other people. Another thing, which was an article that was posted, is from this Herald, which I thought it was really well worded. Luna is back after a multi-billion-dollar crash, and this was actually seen by a lot of people. And at the same time, a lot of people very interested to see how this is all going to play out. Terraform Labs founder Kwon proposed a new chain replace the existing Terra network, while Luna 2.0 will replace the existing version of Luna, which is now renamed as Luna Classic. And they actually go on to explain everything, which I personally really like, as a lot of people were mischief and also misunderstanding the whole situation and blaming whole of the crypto market rather than just seeing the problem was done by a specific team. And another thing which I want to show you guys is look at the chart. The chart is starting to look a little bit healthier, as Bitcoin did make a recovery back to 29k, but Ethereum is still at 1.8k. It did not return anywhere near 2k right now. At the same time, Luna kept falling around this time, but then now it is in a consolidation period from the past 9 to 10 hours, and it is support, or it is actually sitting on a very strong support, which is actually close to 13. Personally, I do not see the support being broken anytime soon, as Luna has been sitting around here when the market cap is actually pretty low and the trading volume has slowed down significantly. This is not a bad thing right now, as a lot of people are just waiting for how Terra 2.0 release is going to happen. Is this going to be a disaster? Is this going to be done very well by the team and it will be going to all the wallets as it's supposed to? And probably if it's done very well, it is going to have a very positive impact on Terra Classic as well. Personally, I see it exploding tomorrow or imploding if it does decide to go very bad for the whole team. it will be just a wait and see type of scenario. Also on the RSI line, you guys can see it is starting to become more stationary around a little oversold zone. It's still not an extreme oversold, but it's still in the 30 to 40 mark, which is still in the oversold zone. Another thing is, if you decide to look at Terra Classic on CoinMarketCap, you guys can see it is down 13%. The market cap has fallen below 900 million, but something else that is a little scary is the trading volume. In the last 24 hours, it has gone down by 84%, which is significant, and it is down to 150 million, and the trading volume to the market cap ratio is close to 17%, which is pretty much nothing compared to what it was just about 48 hours ago. But something that a lot of you guys are going to be happy about if you are going to be holding on to Terra Classic for a long time is the circulating supply has been put up a hard cap, and as you guys can see, it has stopped increasing from the past 24 hours, which is really good, and I know a lot of you guys are going to be super excited about. Another thing which I want to show you guys is Terra governance vote to burn 1.3 billion UST receives an overwhelming support. Now, we talked about this yesterday, but as you guys can see, it is getting more heat, and also obviously a lot of people voted in the favor to try to make sure that the whole of this actually goes down, as a lot of people have their money stuck up in UST, and now the value has fallen below 4 cents, which is not good, as people have lost close to 96% of their holding. So if they do decide to burn 1.3 billion UST, that will have a significant impact on the whole of the ecosystem, and obviously going to pump up the price and obviously help some people recover some of their money. Now, date announced. Team confirms that Terra 2.0 and Luna drop will be happening on 28th, and some relevant information that was actually posted is there will be a lot of exchanges that will be supporting it. So we know Binance, Kraken, Huobi, Bybit, Hit, BTC, OKCoin, OKX, LBank, Crypto.com, FTX, Bitfinex, BitGate, and MEXC Global will be supporting it. There's a lot of exchanges that people will have access to Terra 2.0. And personally, this is really good because a lot of people will have access to actually trading it. But something that I'm a little concerned about, which is not being decided yet, is how long the lock-in period will be before you will be able to access the airdrop you receive. Personally, I do want to know that as soon as possible. Another thing is CoinDCX is going to also support Terra 2.0 when it comes to the revival, and also making sure that everything works out well. The reason everyone is trying to make sure that this works out well is they do not want obviously the whole crypto market to fall because of one simple problem that was created by Luna. And finally, please be aware of scams. There are going to be so many scams around the Terra 2.0. You might be receiving airdrops, you might receive messages, emails saying, hey, do you want to buy Terra 2.0 early? This is the address, go on PancakeSwap, buy it. Please do not fall for any of that. They are all going to be fake. Only take information from legitimate and also official Twitter page or official notices. If you decide to take it from an email, you will end up losing money, and I know for a fact a lot of people are going to be trying to scamming, so please be very careful. And also, the Terra community is just very excited for this 1.3 billion UST token burn. If it does decide to burn that much, it is going to have a very positive impact. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. But other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Hope you guys enjoy. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, do want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.